Hello everyone and welcome back to another software review video. Today we are going to review Rating Captain, which is a SEO optimization tool. From here you can optimize your SEO and your results will appear at number one in every sites like Google Maps, Google and everything. This offers a lot of tools to optimize SEO and build in features are here. So now let us get started. To get started, log in using your user ID and password. So this is the central dashboard of Rating Captain. You can see the UI is simple and user friendly. At first you have this monitoring. In the monitoring it fetches the profiles and displays everything to monitor. Then you have this quick scan. From here you can scan. So in the quick scan you can just enter your Google profile name and scan, and then you can enter the keywords and measurement area. Then you can see the results and your position on map. Then in the reviews, you can see all your reviews on the basis of the name you provide in Google, and you can see number of stars, public rating, the rating by date, and search by content, replies, review text. Then you have this post, so you can see your post. mm, your post from last 7 days, last months, then status, then type. Then have this gallery. In gallery, you can see all your uh, videos and photos that you have uploaded in the particular Google Map site. Then you can see this media. In the media, you can see the videos you have uploaded. You can click on add media to add media. Then you can review reports. Just click on create one time report and then you can see reports to see your current position. Then in the general you have statistics. In the statistics you can see analytics and all the details of your mm, performance. You can see average profile rating, favorite keywords. Then you have this platform and devices, profile views, website clicks, website calls, driving directions. Then you have this review and summary. In the review and summary you can see the review and summary of your website. You have different headings like growth in new reviews, then average rating, current average rating, topics in reviews, stars in reviews, last positive reviews, last negative reviews, reviews not replied. Then you have these alerts. You can see different notification coming in the alert. You can changes on GVP or external changes and activity history. Then you have this AI agent. This AI agent is quite helpful. You can just create AI agent to manage everything. For example, regularly collect new reviews. Then you have this add keywords in profile name. Keep your profile rating average above 4.3. Post regularly. Add photos. Verify your profile. Add a main category. Add at least one additional category. So you have different types of AI agents. You can deploy them so that they will be doing their work. And this is the post regularly. So post regularly is the AI agent which post in regular basis. Then we have these profiles and groups. In the profiles and group you can see active profile and inactive profiles. So these are the active profiles. You can manage up to 100 active profiles. Then you have inactive profiles. 100 profiles will be running and then the inactive profiles won't run. Then you have these accounts and permissions. In the accounts and permission you can see all the details about your account. For example, user, email, password, and you can change the settings related to this accounts and permission. So now let us take a look at this position and map. Let us take a look at this monitoring. In monitoring, you can just add a keyword and monitor your keyword. For example, this is the profile. You can also manage profiles. Mm, you can see there is zero rating for this profile. You can add a keyword. Let us at first do a quick scan. So to do a quick scan, you have to enter your Google profile name. So for example, in Google profile name, you have your Google profile name. Search for your Google business card. So write your name. For example, the, uh, Dr. Prasad sir. Let us check this. Center Point, second floor, station, Mitra Mandal Chowk, Pune. So let us click on this and then click on next, and you have to type a keyword, for example, appointments, appointment, then health, then you have physiotherapy, physiotherapy, then click on next button. So on the basis of this will give results and position map. So you can see the results and position map. It will take some time to give results on the position on map. Uh, so average result is 20 plus, and then you can see this is the result on the basis of map, and these are your competitors, and these are the different competitors. So you can see these are your competitors, list of all the competitors, and average results is 20 plus. And you can export this to PDF also and view this PDF or share this PDF to people. For example, mm, you can just share this. It is loading. मैं विकेट लगाता हूँ. So just click on this PDF and you can see this PDF. This is a PDF. They have just uploaded this screenshot. So this is available in uh, PDF form also. Mm. So you can see these reviews. These are the reviews. You can just change the profile to see the review of this current profile. Just let us write Mandeep. Just write the name. For example, click on Mandeep, and it actually search for the available profiles, and the available profiles will be only displayed from here. Let us change the profile. For example, quick scan, and then you have this. So you can remove this also, or you can just add this. So to add this keyword, mm, you can click on the see details to see these details, and then you can. mm, So this is the profile, and then mm, so in the reviews you can see all the reviews, like for example star rating and rating in different sections, and you can just enable AI auto reply. So then you have this post, you can manage the post from these post options. You can see your post. You can create a post by clicking on the create post button. You can create a single post by clicking on a single post. You can select a type, for example standard event offer. Then you have this English. You can upload a file. Let us upload a file. You can upload a file, for example a JPG image. Click on open. You can generate a content based on the topic. So it will just generate a post on the basis of that topic, and then uh, so this is the post text. You can click on create post, and this post will be automatically posted in your Google profile. So being processed by Google, so this post will be processed because they actually review if this post is uh, good or not, and on the basis of the review then they are going to just approve the post, and this will be posted. So from here you can seamlessly post anything, and it will just boost your image in public and boost your SEO ratings. Now let us take a look at the pricing plan of rating caption. So you have the pricing plan is divided into four sections: the Explorer plan, the Voyager plan, the Orbiter plan, and Supernova. So the Explorer plan costs $0 per month. Then you have this Voyager plan that is going to cost $29 per month, and then you have this Orbiter plan which is going to cost you $149 per month, and this is the Supernova plan which costs $249 per month. And the Voyager plan is actually the popular plan. It offers 10 locations, 200 AI credits monthly, and 50 keywords tracking. If you are a big company, then you can choose for the Supernova company. It enables 100 locations, then 1000 AI credits monthly, 1000 keywords tracking, and different things. And then you have this orbiter plan which is good for the people who are continuously trying to boost their SEO and handling multiple websites. So it is going to cost you $149 per month. So thank you very much for watching this video.